Oh yeah, this is actually big news. Hello? Hey, what are you doing? Yeah, guess where I'm at? Yep. Somebody's at the door. Actually, like, Michelle, you so totally gotta hang up the phone. No, this is my boyfriend talking. It's totally gonna blow your mind. You got to hang up. I've got to tell you. I don't care about your big news. Ashley, we've got better news. Like, what were you saying? Like, I so totally got a job. Where? I don't know, some clothes store. A clothes store. You were gonna be selling clothes? You're gonna be wearing them, not selling. Well, I'm gonna sell them first and fix up the nerdy guys. Like, so totally a lot more. Why would you want to do that? Do you want some ugly, nerdy guys walking around the world? Not in my world. I don't think so. See, that's where I step in. I clean them up. And I'm supposed to clean up the girls, too. Girls? Mm-hmm. But our men are gonna go with those ugly things. Well, I'm just gonna fix up their fashion and their hair and the rest is up to them. What if they change into men? They like men things. Like, ew, that's so totally suck because they're coming after us. Ew, 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 they like our fashion. No, they're all gotta like our fashion. Like, duh, everybody likes your fashion. Everybody likes yours too. Oh. You're so sweet too. Group hug. Group hug. No. You're just gonna leave me here? No, they're supposed to come and pick me up. And I'll see if you can come. Cool. I can help with the guys. Ooh. I like so totally got to come. I can so totally get you a job. Cause I was just walking. And then they just came out and asked me to wear a job because they thought I was hot, and I said, okay. You said you were hot? What's not happening to me? Oh, trust me, it will when I see you. Always at home. I know, it's so totally boring. Like, we're supposed to have these fun and exciting lives. It's so stuck. Yeah, let's just go. Yeah, we'll go to the top. Okay, let's go. And cut.